Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Rachel and we're here at Bargain Hunt today because I'm going to be taking you along with me while I shop the store for some super cute spring outfits and show you how to style and save when shopping at Bargain Hunt. In case you are wondering what, qualifies me to act in the capacity of your style and savings guru, honestly, me too. I actually joined the Bargain Hunt family last July as part of their merchandising department, and since then I've somehow miraculously more than tripled my wardrobe without tripling my credit card debt. In fact, in order to try and retroactively justify the amount of money I was spending at work, I actually decided to start an Instagram account dedicated to showcasing my amazing savings on social media. At BargainBabesBlog, if you want to give it a follow. As both an employee and a very loyal customer at Bargain Hunt, I have a unique perspective on how to shop for the greatest amount of savings while not having to sacrifice your style. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Oh, I didn't see you there. So even though we section the apparel into women's, men's, and kids, nobody's perfect. Hannah Montana said it best. So sometimes things do get shuffled around. Even though I start in women's, I like to always at least do a quick scan of kids and men's to see what else they have, especially men's for the graphic tees and sweatshirts. So let's see if we can find anything cool today. Oh my goodness, this is so cute! 1997, the year my baby brother was born, not that any of you asked. But it also has this awesome checkered print detail on the sleeves, which is super in this season. And the bright blue, I just love it. And even better, it's yellow tag. Bargain Hunt does this really cool thing where even though the merchandise is already marked insanely low when it gets here, after a 30-day period of it being in the store, they mark it down another 25%. Let's see if we can find some more. Last section that I usually like to frequent, and the section that I basically spend the entirety of my paycheck, is shoes. A lot of Bargain Hunt shoes come from the nation's top retailers, but sometimes we even get lucky and get high-end designer footwear. So let's see if we can find some fancy footwear today. These have my name written all over them. So I don't know about you, but I'm super stoked about all the great pieces that we found today. So if you want to see how I'd style these pieces to wear out and about on a night of the town, or if you're just looking for some fashion inspo, be sure to tune in next time. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a like and follow Bargain Hunt on all their social medias listed here. And if you want to keep up with me and see my carefully curated selection of bargain bags, then be sure to follow me at BargainBabesBlog, also listed here. All right guys, until next time, I'll see you then.